This one has a radar that mounts right here. So for that reason, this one's getting a new quarter panel. I have a Acura RDX here. This one's getting a quarter panel. This is the damage right here. And a lot of times I'd want to repair this, but the problem on this particular vehicle is this one has a radar that mounts right here. The old one was just completely ripped off. And this has to be sitting at the exact correct angle. If it's off, it'll be the problem and it won't be able to read what's next to it correctly. So for that reason, this one's getting a new quarter panel. Unfortunately, you have to put the whole panel on. They don't offer this lower section like some vehicles do. So that's the reason this one's getting a new panel. Also, there's some repair work back here on the rear body panel. Then it also gets a new lift gate. This is completely crushed throughout this area. So I am going to go ahead and get everything covered up, and I'm going to start cutting this quarter panel off, and then I will start fitting the new one up. So I have this panel roughly sitting on here, and it's overlapped. I cut the car short, and I'm gonna come through and I'm gonna scribe where I wanna make my final cuts. Then I will lift the panel back off, and I'll go ahead and trim out the rest of the car. And that'll give me a perfect cut at my seams. I have this quarter panel all fit together. Everything's looking very nice. My gaps back here line up nice, and the door has a nice even gap. So this quarter panel is ready to weld on. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pull the door back off, get everything out of my way, and get this quarter panel welded on. Alright, I just about have this one wrapped up. It's ready for fill on the 3 seams. So I'm going to send this one over to Eric to do the fill work on it and get it primed up and get it over to our paint department. And I'm going to dive into my next one.